Howdy y'all, this is Grant from Uptown 101, and I'm standing in Victory Park, and I'm standing in front of the Arpeggio. The Arpeggio is a mid-rise, and it's in the Victory Park area. This is the lobby area, and we're gonna go in and explore Arpeggio, and you'll be able to see it from if you're actually touring. But before we do that, I wanna talk to you a little bit about the area and show it to you. So this is located kind of somewhat on the beginnings of Victory Park. Let me show you where it starts. If you look down the street, that direction, this is Victory Avenue, and that direction at the very end is 35, the exit to get off and on 35. 35 is our main highway that's close here. So living here, you would have super quick access to get to 35. There's also a North Dallas tollway, which is this direction too, and you'd be able to, it goes north and south as well, and so you can quickly get on it in that direction. The Victory Park area itself is just super fun. There's always things happening in this area. If you look in this direction, so we were just over here, we walked a little bit. If you look in this direction, you'll see the American Airlines Center. There's almost always something going on there. So many events. You've got the Dallas Mavericks, you've got the Dallas Stars, so basketball, hockey, and so that takes up a lot of our seasons. So you've got these things going on, and then you've got all sorts of restaurants, shops, and nightlife that's all around here too. This is the Victory Park area. Right next to this, and in true walking distance, is Uptown Dallas. It's this direction. So Uptown Dallas is also, that's our side, Uptown 101. So many people consider Victory Park part of Uptown, and it's definitely got the vibe. The difference in Victory Park is pretty much, everything in here is pretty much all new. And it's beautiful. It's just a great walkable area. So I just wanted to show it off a little bit and show how quick it is to get to fun stuff. I also wanted to show off a little bit more of the Arpeggio from this viewpoint. So that was the entrance over there. We're gonna walk over here so you can see what it looks like. Again, I hope you can see it. It's about 5 stories, and it extends all the way to the block over there. And then clearly right next to it is the American Airlines Center. So if you want to be in a fantastic area that has everything to do in walking distance and quick walking distance, you really do have it right here. So that's the American Airlines Center, where you would go to all those events I was talking about. I also want to point out the garage that's here with the Arpeggio. So the Arpeggio has its own garage. That's important. It's not shared. We're going to walk inside of it so you can see what it looks like. So this is the garage, and you're going to have some these are the open spots that your friends can pick up and use, when they come in. They won't need a card as long as these are empty and you have spots here. This is a Saturday, and you can see there's still, looks like 3 spots available. So this is nice. And you can see the sign over there, by the way. It says guests of Arpeggio residents only are supposed to park here. There's to get in the building and to get into the parking, you would need a key fob, and the key fob will get you through that gate. So this is what the garage looks like. I do want to walk you just a little bit more so you can see the fun of what you can walk to, just a bit more. So you're seeing here, there's a big event that's going on over there, and it's super fun. It's got a big crowd, but I actually want you to, I'm gonna go this direction to kind of go a little bit around it, because the streets are blocked off, and they're blocking off some of the really good restaurants and shops. So I'm gonna go back this direction so you can see it. Don't worry, it's not gonna be long. It's just right. It's across the street, and then it's across the street, and then actually, let's see. Let's go through this garage. See if I can go through this garage. I think I can. Well, I'll tell you what. I'll keep walking here because I want you to see the street, not the garage. So we're gonna walk down here just a little bit more, and I hope you see just the great area here. Tons of people walking and enjoying themselves already. The time of day is about 11 a.m. It's just a beautiful Saturday. There's more over there of the Arpeggio. So Arpeggio is a really pretty place. Great location. Over there, you've got a parking lot. So if something just is coming up and there just doesn't happen to be any spots in the garage, they can go to a public parking that's just right over there, literally right next to it. So, all right, so let's take this road, and then we're gonna go to Victory Park Road. So we just hit we were on Victory Avenue, and now we're hitting Victory Park Road. And I just want you to see some more, because there really is a lot here. Can you tell how new and vibrant and great this area is? You're not going to see any things that are safety issues to me. I feel totally safe